These days, short ribs are one of the hottest and trendiest cuts of meat. But that wasn't always the case. Years back, they would simply grind them up and turn them into ground beef. While they still grind them now and then, today we're seeing short ribs used in all sorts of different ways. Today, we're using them to make a hearty stick-to-your-rib, pun intended, dinner that's perfect any time of year. The first thing we're going to do is brown our short ribs in a heavy soup pot with a bit of oil. Now we add a can of condensed onion soup, some water, a little lemon juice, some ground clove, and a bit of ground black pepper. After it comes to a boil, we'll cover it and let it simmer until the ribs are fork tender. While we wait for that to happen, you might want to make a salad or throw in a pot of water for some noodles to serve with them. Once they're tender, it's time to stir in our secret ingredient, a crumbled slice of pumpernickle bread. The pumpernickle adds an rich old world flavor and helps hearty up our ribs. Serve these over some buttered noodles and spoon on the pan drippings for a restaurant fancy dinner that you can enjoy in the comfort of your own home. To get the recipe for our fall off the bone short ribs, all you need to do is visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fork tender way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Very fork tender.